Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do camera lens smudge detection for a captured image using Vision framework in native iOS application. So let's get started. So first what I have done is that here is the image which I have taken. Okay, so this image was taken by my camera itself. So I'm not writing the camera code, so I'm only showing you guys the relevant code. If you want, you can write the code related to opening a camera, capturing an image as well. But here I have just taken a static image which I have captured from my iPad. Okay, then once the image is captured, now there is no output to show you as such, but I'm just logging it to the console. There is no UI as such. So basically what I'm doing is I'm getting our UI image. Okay, then I'm converting it to a CG image, initializing it to a CI image, sorry. Okay, once it is initialized to CI image, make sure you import Vision as well. Then all you need to do is initialize detect lens smudge request, then do request.perform, pass in your CI image or CG image, sorry, CI image, sorry. I keep getting confused between CG image and CI image. Here you need to pass with CI image, and then you just need to do smudge observation.confidence. Now here comes a little bit tricky part. If the smudge probability value is closer to 0, then it means it is less smudge. If it is closer to 1, then it means the photo is of poor quality and your camera lens may be smudged. Now it's not guaranteed that always photo taken from a camera lens is of lower quality. That means there is smudge on your camera lens. It's not guaranteed. Your camera itself inherently might be very bad, so don't just go on this. So this is just one of the ways. So here I am just checking if smudge probability is greater than 0.7, then I am saying image is smudged, clean your lens and capture the image again. Else I am just saying image is fine and you can use it. And here you can see we are getting image is fine. Like I said, sometimes the image might be smudged because there is no smudge or low quality image, because your camera itself is very bad and there might not be any smudge. So yeah, be mindful of that. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.